In this video, you're going to learn how to gift subscriptions on Patreon. This is a new feature. You need to go ahead and log into your Patreon account. And it looks like this has to be enabled through the creator's backend. So just know that not all creators will have this right off the bat. So what you want to do is you want to go to the creator that you want to gift a subscription for. So let's say I want to gift a subscription to this creator here, Charlie Pancakes. What you would do is you would go to their Patreon page, like I am here, and where you normally click on Become a Member, you go over here and you're going to see right next to the Share button, you're going to see 3 horizontal dots. It'll bring up a new menu, and you'll have an option now that says Gift Membership. Click on Gift Membership. Once you do that, it then says choose a membership tier that you want to gift. So you can choose the recommended tier, or you can choose another tier. It really doesn't matter. And then click on Gift on the tier of your choice. And then you can either gift 1 month, you can gift custom months. So you can say, I want to gift 3 months of this subscription to this creator, to my friend or whoever it may be. You can say who it's from. You don't have to. You can do it anonymously if you want. And then you can give a message, and then you go ahead and click Go to Payment. So go ahead and choose the duration, click Go to Payment, and then you'll have the option here to choose your payment method and go ahead and continue with that and check out, and you've now gifted a membership to that person, to that creator. Now, if we hop over to my iPhone, it looks like it hasn't been enabled or turned on yet for mobile, but when it is, you'll just click or tap onto a creator here, and right here on the creator's page, you should see an option where you see the 3 dots at the top of your screen next to the search bar. Tap on the 3 dots, and you'll see an option here that says Gift Subscription. When that comes available, you'll be able to do it from this drop-down menu here. And that's how you do it. That's how you gift a subscription on Patreon. Have any questions, put those in the comments section. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.